What up, everyone? Welcome back. Happy 4th of July. It's the 3rd, but close enough. I just dropped 2 on my foot. That hurt. But I'll show you what we're working on. Yep, you guessed it. It's that Monte Carlo again. Hey, remember, drink healthy. It's berry, I guess. So we're going to finish pulling some of this crap out. I'm going to get this inner fender well out. Get the battery and whatnot. Then we're going to get this front end off. So I'm going to grab my 10 mil and start pulling stuff out. I think actually a couple of them are 8 mils, but I'll keep you updated. Okay, so over here you have your charcoal canister, your horn. Charcoal canister is held on by those two. And then there's one down there. They're all 13 millimeter, 1/2 inch. And then you have a crap ton of bolts on the inside of the fender well. Other than, you know, the stuff up in this corner, it's all pretty much the same. So I did undo these top 2 bolts for the fender. That bolt for the beauty panel for the headlight. That one. And then we have the ones up here and then down the bottom too. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out and get this fender well off. And then you have these little clips too that hold all these wires and cables and vacuum lines. That will all kind of stay in here. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this off. I'm hoping I don't have to take the horn off, but I might have to. Hey, I got it out. So I got it out. Cool. It's all just chilling. So now I can get that off and get that grill off. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, there we go. Now we'll take the rest of the fender bolts out, take the hood off, and we'll get this front end prepped and painted. But from me to your family, my family to yours, happy 4th of July. Enjoy it. Be safe. Deuces.